Nosnarb? Maybe it's something backwards. Brands on.
No snarb.
No, I was pissed, man. I planted grass in my front yard where I had a old tree stump ground out, and so I put soil down, everything, put the seed down. It's like, well, I'm not gonna water because I heard thunder last night. Well, naturally nothing happened. So we have, I think 4 different varieties of tomato over there. There's red onion up there. There's 2 types of, whoops. Those are deer in my neighbor's yard. Look at the little baby deer. Up here we have 2 types of lettuce, green onions, 12 jalapeno plants, cubanelles, a green pepper, a red pepper, some tie-dye tomato plant, some pink tomato plant. I forget what that one's called. That's a Heinz 57 tomato plant. And down here there's like radishes and then 2 more tomato plants. So I have, I think, a total of 20 something tomato plants. It's gonna be a good year for sauce.
What's up? Inside Blackout Day.
For a minute.
For a minute?
Just for 1 minute.
What's going on?
How you doing?
How are things here?
He had to ask me something.
Yesterday on accident.
Oh, what do you have to ask me?
I gotta show you my notes.
Is it XR?
Didn't discuss that on purpose. So you can do that.
Can we get a shot of this?
Chicken scratch.
I'm not sure if we can reveal his email address, but maybe we can just go like that and just look at what he wrote down.
What?
Can you name even half of what those letters are?
I can name every single letter, word.
What is that?
That's an N.
That's an N?
Yeah, it was an A. I made it an
that's
N.
pretty bad.
You have to remember,
Some people, like, they don't write all the time, ever.
Well, I'm kind of a hypocrite. Have you seen my handwriting?
Yeah, it's pretty close to that.
It's pretty close. It's like his is the worst, mine's second worst, then Josh's a close third.
I'm really bad at numbers, apparently.
Isn't it always weird, though? Like,
It's the 4s and
guys'
9s.
handwriting is so much worse than girls. Like, why is it so much worse?
Because breaking news, my name is Luke Crawford, GM of Blackout Tinting North Pittsburgh, and proposing a trade to the LATROBE shop. I'd like to trade Steven Ludwig.
you think Friends is bad?
Yeah. Friends is the worst show of all time.
No, it's not.
And it's not close.
I think Seinfeld's bad too.
I think Seinfeld's horrible.
Trailer Park Boys is better than Friends and Seinfeld.
Oh, Family Guys.
No, King of the Hill. King of the Hill is probably the greatest animated show. I sell propane and propane accessories. I tell you what, God dang it, Bobby.
Oh, Ian, happy birthday, dude.
Oh, happy birthday! Hey.
Do you know why I didn't forget? Because this morning I was on my Snapchat, and he's one of my best friends on Snapchat, and there's a birthday cake next to his name.
Aren't you gonna tell me my new haircut looks cute?
It does. That's why I featured it.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Is that the birthday cut?
It was. It was a birthday cut.
Scrub-a-dub-dub.